Good evening, everyone. On this auspicious occasion, I'm really glad to deliver this welcome. One and all, again, welcome. It takes me immense pleasure to welcome the galaxy of eminent personalities on the stage and the bright students off the stage and everyone who have gathered in this convention. Bangalore is a vibrant cosmopolitan, metropolitan city located in south of India, which is basically called the IT hub of India. And this also called the Silicon Valley of India, which houses more than 10,000 odd services-oriented sector companies, which are the main GDP contributors of our country. Bangalore is well known for its lovely weather and this splendid weather which attracts all the crowd from all over India. That's why it's called the Green City and also the Garden City of India. It is also very well known for all the spiritual centers like Art of Living, ISKCON, Ramakrishna Matham, and so on and on. So I'm very proud to live here in Bangalore and once again invite all of you to this lovely place. Think India is a forum organized by ABVP every year where young intellects, scholars, academicians, professionals from leading and premier educational institutions like IIM and ITT come together to discuss and debate about various issues which are hindering the growth and success of India. Ingenious is a unique convention designed basically to kindle the flames of energy by cherishing the great stories of other young achievers and thus understand the role and responsibility in rejuvenating India from clutches of poverty and corruption. The highlighting thing about this convention is the fact that it is planned, organized, developed by only a group of women, social activists and activities, which is indeed a great achievement by itself and which is one of the main issues I'm proud of. One of the main aims of this convention is to create awareness of our ancient India and bring about innovative entrepreneurs and thus contributing to our nation building. This convention also revolves around concept of Uttist Bharat, being envisioned by Swami Vivekananda, whose magnificent personality imbibed faith, love, service in lakhs and crores of people for the betterment of mankind. And at this moment, I would like to welcome Sri D.V.K. Sarvastav, ex-Director General, DRDO. And I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Saraswat, Sri Sarvaswat ji. And also Sri Sunil Ambedkar ji, I'm sorry if I'm wrong. National Organizing Secretary, ABVP. I'm also not the least, I would really like to welcome, a warm welcome to our reception committee, headed by Dr. Hema Reddy, the President, and Mrs. Gayatri Gopinath, Secretary, and of course me, Mrs. Sashikala, Mrs. Lavanya Balaji, Mrs. Sandhya Dinesh, Mrs. Sangeeta, Dr. Saraswati, Mrs. Nandini, Mrs. Geeta Satish, Mrs. Leela Ashok, Mrs. Asha Srinivas, Mrs. Sunita Bhaskar. Thank you. Mrs. Kavita Prasad. Thank you everyone, and I really hope everyone should give a great coordination in this beautiful event.